Jake.
Why don't we get them to go up on a cul-de-sac where there's space? Instead of trying to cram everyone down here.
He said PewDiePie. I said I like PewDiePie. He's like, he's racist. I'm like, you know, he's like, you know what that is? And just go, like, do you know what that is?
Wait, is he?
He's like correcting everything he's saying wrong.
That's definitely an off-brand Coke.
Ryan first watching.
Saying hi to the guy.
They're not ready yet. Let them go, Jake. They gotta set up.
Yeah, I already did meet 2 of them.
When the cat finally
What's up with this?
Are you excited for COVID?
Homie, I will
ends?
leave.
Then this will bring 5 days
Bro,
ago.
see that bird up there? See that bird up there? If I had a sniper rifle, I could snipe him. I snipe his wing. I wouldn't hurt him too bad. I'll snipe his wing, he'd fall down.
The little kabowie?
Dude,
Ted, watch this.
I thought this place is for like food. It says burger. Is this where you get the barber shop?
No, that says. I feel like this one.
Where's G? Where's G? I don't think no G. Let's cut G. I don't think no G.
The Disney one, too.
I don't know. Oh, no. And you look pretty for the babes.
This is true.
Ooh, that's loud! You have to delete the,
That got horsepower?
hey,
Jake, does that have some horsepower?
no, it's a V8.5 engine.
That was
What's up,
rocket?
tires?
Yeah.
Those tires go at least 30 miles per hour.
Tyler.
Oh!
Guess
I need 10 tests.
Guess who
How do we? No, I'm
playing
playing a game.
No, he's filming.
Homie Slice, you want some of this?
What?
Homie Slice, you want some of this?
Subscribe to AV117.
Shut up. Homie, you want some of this? I will these sweet homie.
No,
Bro, I have a Nerf gun.
I have 2.
It hurts really bad.
I have 2.
My first TikTok is probably one of the dumbest. You want to see it?
Sip on your sippy juice. You do that.
Put down the wrong tube.
What tube?
My butthole.
Where y'all
Wait, where you going? Where you going? Why moving?
Where'd Jake go? Jay!
The crazy kid with the food truck. What do you want?
Subscribe to AV.
Where's what?
You can
What
tell me while
done?
I'm trying
Why?
to find this. Oh, here.
What is that?
Okay, look. Did you say the F word?
I said I'm jamming to these funky beats.
Did you say the D word?
I just said I'm jamming to these funky beats.
Did you just say the F word?
Did you just throw that at me? Jamming to these funky beats. Oh, show me in the world. Rush to the call. Say yes, world. Don't get hit by a car. Oh, bad boy.
I went in.
Solve that situation.
Pop cold. Right? Ready for this skill? Ready?
This dog is crazy. In my house.
Oh!
In this.
Ready for mine? I'm even.
That was
gnarly, bro.
I'm even parkourious.
That was so gnarly. I might even have a boo-boo from that. But I'm a big boy, so I need it. Are you zooming in my quads?
No.
Get off of me! I can do it even better. I have bubble. Yeah, but I got boo boo and I didn't even cry.
Yeah, you still call it a boo boo. You still call it a boo boo.
Ow! I got
Not
pinned.
injury, you nerd.
You want me to demonetize your channel real quick?
No.
Tell your mom's boo boo.
That was on camera.
Was it?